Tell you what, I'm going to bring it up above idle a little bit just to see how this looks. It gets rougher above idle. Around $2,000, I just feel it. I'm not sure if you guys were hearing that or seeing anything obvious here. Yeah, I can go back and look at some data. It looks like 2 is showing a little weird. Okay guys, I'm still here on this Ford trying to hopefully get it to act up so we could capture something. Channel 1, I have it on bank 1 cam sensor. Channel 2, I have that on bank 2 cam sensor. And we are triggering off of ignition coil cylinder 1. You can actually hide that. And she'll continue to trigger. Right now it has not been acting up. Hoping to get something to show soon. One thing I noticed today, it's much colder. Our oil pressure at idle is 20 to 25 or so. I don't see it dropping too much below 20. The other day we seen it at 17 when the vehicle was warm. Our desired is 0%, and you can see we are maintaining pretty well. So right now the vehicle is running good. Ooh, that was weird. Had a little hiccup there for a moment.
It's running good. Ooh, that was weird. Had a little hiccup there for a
moment. When it did that, it changed to desired 20%. Not sure if you guys noticed when it did that, it changed to 20%, and the oil pressure dropped down. Both cams seem to act the same. Of course, I wasn't recording. It's been running now for about 10 minutes. And I didn't see anything. Okay, now I'm actually recording. Hopefully we'll capture something. I love this little Mixig T-Book Mini. This one has a couple years on it. I'm gonna have the Automotive software put on her shortly. Let me play around. Hopefully I don't lose anything. trying to show you guys. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I was messing around and the thing acted up. Finally acted up, and there I was playing around. All right, I'm recording once again. I might go back and review that data, but I want to see if we capture something. Number 2 kind of went a little crazy during that. One thing I am seeing is that the oil pressure is much lower at this lower idle. Been recording once again for about 8 minutes. Got the mixed sig charging, so I'm just switching up the scopes a little bit. Got the Autel Maxi scope currently hooked up, so we'll be monitoring it with this one for a little bit. Just didn't want to surprise you guys. Getting ready to start it back up now. All right, the only thing I did different here was channel 1 is now our trigger, and that's on the coil. Channel 2 is bank 1 cam. Channel 3 is bank 2 intake cam. It's essentially the only difference. And we'll let her run. I don't know, guys, I'm really striking out getting this thing to act up. As you seen earlier, I did get it to act up once. However, I didn't capture it in time. That was my fault. But that was it. It stalled that one time and then it cleared up. I don't like the low oil pressure at idle. I don't like how low the oil pressure is at idle when it's warmed up. As you can see, it's going all the way down to 11 PSI. To me, that doesn't seem right. I'm gonna change the oil. I'm not sure exactly when this oil was changed last, but for now, to do something, I'm gonna change the oil, put the proper oil in it, new filter, and we're gonna see how this oil pressure looks when it's warmed up. Do a couple last ditch things that don't require any parts. I changed the oil. I'll show you in a little bit. Once it warmed up, the oil pressure is still right about the same, but I know I have 520 in there. I have proper oil in there, new filter. Oil pressure is still right around the same. I don't like seeing it that low at idle. If you guys could let me know if you think that's a little low as well for these cam phasers. And I did notice, just gonna do some basic things for the customer while it's here. The air filter is filthy. We're gonna put a new air filter in it. In addition, there's a lot of carbon, a lot of buildup on the throttle body. So I'm gonna open the throttle body and we're gonna clean that out. There you go, that's about as good as I can get it. All right, sorry guys. Sorry that I couldn't recreate it for you. I'm gonna now disconnect everything and take it for a ride. And if something pops up, I'll record it for you, but you're gonna need the vehicle back here shortly. And so I wanted to do a couple things. No parts required. At this moment, change the oil. I cleared the codes, cleared the keep alive memory, clean the throttle body, change the air filter. Just some of the basic things that could possibly make it stall at idle. I have a feeling it's gonna be a cam phaser on this one, or that due to that low oil pressure. I don't like it. So we changed the oil and did all the basic stuff. We're gonna take it for a ride. If it still does it, I'll try to monitor the same stuff we were monitoring while we're driving it, and I'll take a screen capture if I can. I'm gonna disconnect my oscilloscope for now. Just hoping to capture something good there for you guys. But if you've seen something that I missed, or you have some suggestions for this vehicle, I could probably get it back at almost any time, given the schedule. Maybe I'll go for a test ride and it'll act up again. We never know. But for now, if it doesn't act up, I'll catch you guys next time.